Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Samadhan. Moving forward in the machine learning series, would you have wondered, in the previous videos, what is that import statement we use and different libraries name? So you have came across some NumPy, some Pandas, and some Matplotlib. So these are nothing but the libraries, and the question would arise like, what are these libraries in machine learning? So imagine building a Lego house instead of creating every single brick yourself. So you use pre-made Lego blocks to build it faster and better. So these libraries are like those Lego blocks. They give you ready-made functions so you don't have to code everything from scratch. So basically these libraries are collection of pre-written code. So whatever you see here, so like for example, this NumPy, import NumPy. So these are the collection of pre-written code designed for a specific task. So now this NumPy would design for numerical operations. Some pandas. Now here I have example of pandas. So these are very important libraries you need to have a look on. So these are designed for some data analysis operation or visualization operation in the machine learning. So libraries save time, reduce coding errors, and improve performance. So here I have an information for NumPy, which is numerical Python, and it is due to its numerical Python, we are able to do the mathematical calculation in the machine learning with ease. So they are used for mathematical computing or numerical computing. The pandas are most powerful libraries in data analysis and visualization. So they are helpful for data manipulation. So you can see here the key features. The last is Matplotlib. So Matplotlib is used for data visualization. So in one of the video you have saw the graph. So in the previous video itself, that which with key means clustering. There we imported this Matplotlib and you saw the graph of the cluster. It's because of this Matplotlib library we were able to visualize the graph in Python. So take a look on it. So customizing plot we can do. We can plot various types of graph is due to Matplotlib. There is Scikit-learn library which is used for some scientific Python. Now moving forward to our NumPy. Now this is the command pip install NumPy. You would write in the command prompt. So I will show you. I guess this is installed in my PC, but you have to write pip install NumPy. For anything you have to write this same. It will take some time and it will show us the message like if it is installed, if it's giving error, then you need to use the Stack Overflow to refresh the error. Now see here, it's already present in my system. So new release is available where we need to upgrade it to 23.1 is there into my PC. Now this new version is available of NumPy and in order to update, I need to run this command. So if I run this command, then my NumPy library would get upgraded to the 25 version, and this is how it will look. Whenever you are also downloading the or installing the PIP, this is how the command prompt or the terminal would look. So see, successfully uninstalled this 23.1 and it will install the 25, the latest one. See, this is my successful installed message. So yeah, NumPy is present in my system. So this is how you install the NumPy. This is the statement in the modules I show you like why this import NumPy. So this is anything we can write, not only NP, we can write anything, but make sure you would replace uh, that thing here itself. Now we are here creating the 1D array. So it is helpful for numerical data in Python, like mathematical operation, array manipulation, scientific computing. And one thing to keep in mind, if you are using Anaconda as your IDE, the NumPy is pre-installed there. No need to do that pip install NumPy command for any libraries. Now here we are printing the array, then length, then type, and then data. So it's helpful for, or it is playful for mathematical operation. So we can expect the output as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the array. Length would be 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The type would be definitely integer or numpy.nd array would be the type. And shape is 5 comma. So these are the operations you can perform on the NumPy. So I will show you some operations. So there are operations like np dot zeros. So these operations are used to create arrays of zeros, or array filled with zeros. Afterwards, np dot ones, like np dot ones. So these are used to create array of ones. So just provide this inbuilt function and you run the code. It will create an array automatically having all ones in it, or the above one will create an array of all zeros in it. So this np.arrange, so it will create an array with range of values. So there are numerous common NumPy functions like this line space function. So it will create some linear sequence. So np.mean, so it will calculate some mean. So there are numerous functions present. So it will calculate mean of an array. Then this median will calculate median of an array. So these are the numerical Python function present. So real world use case for NumPy is used for data analysis, image processing, and definitely for numerical simulation. Now moving forward with pandas. So pandas are basically very useful whenever we play with data. So they are useful in data analytics, data visualization. So they are powerful library for data manipulation and analysis. So it is widely used to manage structured data like tables, spreadsheets, CSVs. In the big firms, they are very, very useful. So on the same line, we need to install it, pip install pandas. Here PD is not a issue. You can use any variable you want. So this is our data we created. It's some rough data we created, and we are just printing here. So what it will print now, it will print the data as you see in Excel sheet. So here are some common pandas function also we have. So we have some common operation or common pandas function. So this will display some first few rows of the data frame. Then this will last few rows of the data frame. This will display information about data frame. This will generate descriptive statistics about the data frame, like all the description it will give us. This shape will give us the dimension of the data frame. The column names of the data frame. So these are the some common pandas function we use. So fill NA is there, like df dot fill NA. So what this fill NA do? So if there are any missing values present in our Excel sheet, it will fill it with the standard values. Now what is this drop NA? So these are very much useful, this drop NA, fill NA during data pre-processing while cleaning the data. So this data drop rows with missing values. So these are the all common pandas function as we saw in the NumPy. So there are numerous functions. These are only basic important function I have displayed here. So they are used for data cleaning, financial data analysis, and organizing large data sets. Then the Matplotlib, as I said, that it is used for visualization. So this is how we import Matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. Now why pyplot we have used? It is interface to Matplotlib. So it MATLAB, if you know MATLAB, it provides that screen to you. Okay, cool. We will move forward. So this is the sample data, and here, if I run this, so see here, no module name Matplotlib. So which means that I need to install the Matplotlib using this statement, and after that only my program will run. Okay. So it will just take time. We will move forward. So this will basically show a line graph showing data points clearly. The last one is sklearn. So this is important, which is known as Scikit-learn. Powerful library provides simple and efficient tools for classification, regression, clustering, which we saw in the previous videos. So most popular libraries for machine learning. So this is an example of, you know now, simple linear regression, y is equals to mx plus c. So it is of the regression mode, and it will predict based on the label data we have provided and understanding the relationship. It will predict. So this linear regression, we get it from the sklearn, from the Scikit-learn. So this is also not present. It is asking me to install it. So no worries, we'll install it afterwards. So keep in mind, always use latest version of libraries for better performance. As I show you that my system had the numerical Python or NumPy already installed with version 23, but it told me that there is some version 25 available, and I definitely upgraded it to the latest one. So Pandas for data manipulation, Matplotlib for visualization, and a Scikit-learn for easy to implement machine learning model. So that's it. Now you know essential or most important libraries which we use in daily course during machine learning, deep learning, or anything. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn. So if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment Python libraries mastered if you made it to the end.